the interesting topic. Do you know what? Yes, it is geometry. And in this geometry chapter, we are going to learn so many things. So let's begin with the first topic of lines. Yes, do you know how many types of line are there? 3. Let me show you how. The first line is parallel. Do you know what is parallel? This, where the lines are never going to meet. Now the second line is intersecting, where two lines are meeting at one point. Or the third line is perpendicular. What is this perpendicular? Yes, the perpendicular lines are like this. One line will be on vertical and the other one will be on horizontal. Correct. So I hope you all have learned about 3 types of lines. Yes. Now let's come to the next topic. So our next topic is very important. That is angles. Do you know what is angles? Yes. When two rays, this is first ray and this is another ray. So when two rays meet, they form an angle. Very good. And we give them name. Suppose I give O. And I gave the name here letter A and letter E, B. So tell me, what is this angle? Angle AOB. Tell me one thing. Can I give any other name? Yes. Angle AOB. What else I can give? Angle BOA. Only 2 names I can give? No. Because we know when two rays meet, they meet at common point O, and that common point is also known as angle. So there are 3 ways how we can name the angle. Angle AOB, angle BOA and angle O. Now let's come to our point, where we are going to discuss angles around a straight line. So can you see, here I have made one straight line, and now I have made one. I have given suppose name A, B and O. Now you have to tell me that it is the situation where we have to solve angle on a straight line. Can you tell me how many angles we can form? Yes, if there is one ray, we can form 2 angles. One and the other. Now tell me one thing. If I know this angle is 60 degree, okay? So what will be this angle? Yes, angles on a straight line means the sum of angles equals to, suppose I give the name to this point is C. So now the sum of angles equals to 180, correct. That is angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to what? 180, correct. So now tell me what we know. Angle BOC I know. So I have to find angle AOC. 60 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle AOC equals to, now the 60 degree will go right hand side, so it will be 180 degree minus 60 degree. So what is the value of angle AOC came? 120 degree. So this is all about angles on a straight line. So what we have learned, that the sum of angles on a straight line is always 180 degree. Let's come to our third topic, angles around a point. Now let's see how we do it. So here I have made one line and I have said angles around a point. It means the angles are making around a point. Let's see how. So here I have made one ray and suppose here I have made another ray. Let's give them name. What names you want to give? Okay, so I am giving name O, P, Q, R. Now what we are going to see, can you tell me how many angles are forming around a point? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Correct? Now tell me one thing. Angles around a point. Here we will learn that the sum of angles around a point is always equals to 360 degree. Now let's do with one question. Suppose this angle is 40 degree. This angle is 70 degree. So what will be this angle? Let's do it. So we know that the sum of the angles means angle POQ plus angle POR plus angle QOR. Sum of all the angles equal to 360 degree. Now POQ, do you know angle POQ? Yes, 70 degree. Do you know angle POR? No, we have to find out. Do you know angle QOP? QOP. So it is what? 40 degree. So that is equal to 360 degree. So now tell me, 70 plus 40? 110 plus angle POR equals to 360 degree. Now we can easily find out the value of angle POR. So this 110 will go on the right hand side. So it will be minus 110. Very good. So it will be angle POR. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. And 3 minus 1, 2. So we get the angle POR equals to 250